I think it was amazing. I think the planning was really well done. Fair play, you know, it was really well organised. Yeah, I'd love for it to come here every year because it was amazing for business as well. So we're looking to recreate that same sort of footfall, even if it's for just one day of the year. But yeah, you know, it was amazing. Won't forget it. Yeah.
Mae'r ymdrech, mae'r gwahanol busnesau a phethau wedi rhoi mewn i'r Eisteddfod wedi bod yn anhygoel. Yn arbennig wrth ystyried pa mor bell ydi Penderyn o Pontypridd, achos oedd e'n gwaith galed ar y ddechrau i cael bobl i deimlo fel rhan o'r wyl arbennig yma, ond fi'n credu gyda'r cymorth pawb a cymaint o ymdrech sydd wedi mynd mewn, bod ni wedi llwyddo ac mae'n hyfryd i weld pobl yn cael eu cydnabod am eu gwaith.
The Eisteddfod was very positive for RCT. As a Welsh learner, we enjoyed it as a family, and it was a historic event which, you know, we were privileged to host in RCT.